Okay, here is our target for today. I can investigate life cycles. Now, remember whenever we used investigate in math, we always kind of thought of it as like searching for the answers. So if you have like a private eye, a private investigator, they're looking for answers that are kind of hard to find. So I can kind of like search for clues, search for answers about life cycles. So I'm going to add, I can search for info. And info is short for information. I can search for info about life cycles. I will show this by, now remember, this is how you show your teachers that you know how to investigate life cycles. So I will show this by using what I already know about plants, insects, and animals to guide my investigation. So you're going to be thinking back, you're going to be using your schema. That's what this is, what I already know. Schema. You're going to be using your schema, what you already know, about plants, that's supposed to be grass, insects, and animals. Oh boy, an animal. Animals to guide my investigation. So today what we're working on, we're going to do a KWL, and you guys are filling out the K and the W. You're going to use what you already know about plants, animals, and insects to help you with what you already know and what you want to know.